In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Grammarly AI chat step by step so you can write faster, rewrite better, and get more done with less effort. Whether you want help generating ideas, improving a sentence, creating an outline, or polishing your writing, Grammarly AI chat can be a really useful tool. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Grammarly on your computer. You can use the Grammarly website, the Grammarly editor, or the desktop app, depending on what version you have installed. If you already use Grammarly regularly, this should feel familiar. Once Grammarly is open, sign into your account. If you're not signed in yet, enter your email and password or use your connected sign-in method so you can access the full features. After you're logged in, go to the Grammarly editor or open the desktop app. This is where you'll usually find the writing tools, suggestions, and AI features all in one place. Now look for the AI chat option or anything labeled Generative AI. Grammarly may place this in a visible sidebar, a menu, or a tools section depending on your version. Once you find it, click on it to open the chat panel. This is the part where Grammarly becomes more interactive and helpful because instead of only correcting your writing, you can ask it to generate or improve content for you. Next, click inside the AI chat box. This is where you'll type your request. You can keep it simple or give more detail depending on what you need. For example, you can ask Grammarly to rewrite a sentence to sound more professional, shorten the paragraph, make your writing clearer, or even create an outline for a blog post, email, or script. The more specific you are, the better the result usually becomes. So instead of just saying, write this better, try giving Grammarly a clear direction like rewrite this to sound friendly and concise, or create an outline for a YouTube tutorial about productivity tips. After you type your prompt, send it and wait for Grammarly to generate a response. In a few moments, you should see a suggested answer or rewritten text appear in the chat. Take your time and review the result carefully. Don't just copy and paste it immediately. Read through it and make sure it matches your tone, fits your goal, and says exactly what you want. This step is really important because AE can be helpful, but you still want to stay in control of the final message. If needed, you can refine your request and ask Grammarly to make it shorter, more detailed, more formal, or easier to understand. You can also keep the conversation going by asking follow-up questions. That's one of the best parts of Grammarly AI chat because it lets you iterate and improve the output until it feels right. If the first answer isn't perfect, just adjust your prompt and try again. Grammarly AI chat can help with brainstorming, rewriting, clarifying, summarizing, and even organizing your thoughts before you start writing. It's a great way to save time when you're stuck or just want a quick writing assistant. Once you're happy with the result, you can use it in your document, email, or project, and that's really all there is to it. Open Grammarly, sign in, find the AI chat option, type your request, review the response, and refine it if needed. With just a few steps, you can turn Grammarly into a much more powerful writing helper. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.